it consumes your more RAM. Okay, so compulsory verify your RAM. And of course, I'm running two virtual machines currently. The problem with this one is it consuming my RAM, my system become slow. So it's like that. So don't worry about it. Guys, here it is. What is this practical? First, I understand two important things. One is how to share the folder and how to access the folder. Sharing is quite easy, but accessing is also important. Okay, if you are, don't know how to share what it is,
मी नाही भाई का बरं बस
okay. So you should know how to share and you should know how to access also. Here is like this. I'll put a some name. Here it is. This is my C1. Okay, and this is my C2. Two PCs, just for an example. This is C1 PC, C2 PC. Here I have a data. For example, any location, it is a data one. Okay, it is a data one, contains some files. I'm going to share this folder. Okay, so how to share the folder? Right click on it and then go to properties, sharing, like that options we done. So I shared from here and I have to access. Here it is two things like I have an IP address in my network, right? So I have an IP address. Okay, something IP address is there. I put a IP address is like a IP address C1. Okay, so like this here, this one is better C1 IP address. Okay, any IP address, you must not note the IP address separately. Okay, so this is my C1 PC. This is my data store, data I share. This is my IP address. Next one is every PC has a username, right? You have a username like a student one, and it contains a password. So this is also you must note down. For example, username is user1, password is p1, IP address is 1 per 10, like this. Now in a C2 means here I want to access, which is shared from C1. This is for accessing data. That is sharing data. This is accessing data. So look at here. Here we have to go to run. Very simple, guys. Go to run and put a slash slash. Guys, when I say slash means compulsory verify which slash I am telling. And some people will put it and say sir not working. This is the slash. In the run, this is the slash. Remember what you are doing. Just do it 3-4 times. You will remember. Okay. Slash slash C1's IP address. Just give C1 IP address. Okay. So whatever it is, IP address, either like a I said like a 10. Okay. So something C1's IP address. So when you give an IP address, there is a box will open asking for a username and password. Asking for a username and password. To give the username and password. So what is username? Like a user one. Okay, in my case it is a student one. Password, what is the password? Once it is done, it will open an explorer, then you can able to see data one file. So you can access the data from here. So based on your permission, like a security permission and sharing permissions, this PC, from this PC I can put a data. Okay, I can put a data, I can access the data. So both we can able to sync. So this is called a sharing a folder. sharing a folder. So important thing is, first of all, note down details of your PC. Okay, the first one is my PC only, like this. This is my C1. So what are the details? Here my PC don't have any computer name, so I have a IP address. How to get IP address? One is IP config 127. First note down 127 for my WinC1. IP address 192.168.0.127. Okay. Next, username. What is username? Student 1. What is password? Admin @123. Okay. So that is it. Okay. Next. That's it. That's it for a first PC. Okay. So we do in this one PC. Okay. So like this. Next. Yeah. If you see, there is already one folder in my PC. Like you can create one folder here, or you can put some data also. Okay. There is some data is already there, or maybe you can create your own. So what will happen? So, folder data one. This is my folder. Inside a folder, I'm creating a files. File 1, maybe file 2, like some text file or anything. You can also put it, here it is, this is F1 file. Save it. F2 file. Okay. So two files I put it in this folder. Okay. Guys, look at this one carefully. I'm sharing folder. Okay. So here it is for you. I'm using a magnifier. Okay. My system slow. My laptop generating lot of heat. Switch on the fan. Why it is taking too much time for a Mac? Okay, so increase the speed. Okay, why it is very slow? Okay, see, this is my data one. Guys, remember, this is data one. Right click. Okay, properties. Okay, sharing. This is the sharing tab. Sharing, advanced sharing. Okay, advanced sharing. Go to advanced sharing. So select this option. Share this folder. Share this folder. If you want to change the name, you can also change the name. Okay, and also go to permissions. Everyone, because we are in the work group, so you have to share to everyone only. full control, like you want to make other user to put some data inside. Other user can able to change the data like that. You want to give full control, then you can give the full control. Apply. Okay. Okay. Apply. Okay. Now you are shared. Actually, it should show the sharing path. You can see this is a sharing path with a name. It is not with IP address. This is my PC's computer name currently, and this is a complete path. This is a security tab. This is security tab. Guys, sometimes sharing permissions are enough. Sometimes sharing permissions are enough. Sometimes it is not enough. You must give security permissions also. In the security also, go to security. Security means user access permission, right? Go to security, edit, add everyone. I'm telling everyone can able to access this file. This is a all open access type. Everyone can able to access. Full control I'm giving. I'm selected full control. Apply. Okay. So everyone access permission I'm given. Sharing also everyone full control permission I given. General tab. Close. So this is I shared. How you know you are shared? Two ways to know you are shared. Okay. There's a two ways. You will know you are shared or not from your PC. Go to CMD. Use the command called net share. Okay. See, this is share name. This is location of the file. This is the location of the file. Net share. So what are the things shared from your PC? That is shows by command called net share. So what is the command? Net share. Capital or small? No problem. Net share. Another one is you can go to computer management. There you can find it. Go to comp mgmt.msc. Guys, whenever your Windows 10 is very slow, there's a one possibility is there, that is it's updating. It's a updating. Okay, so this is share folders. You can see share folders, shares. So you can see what are the things you have shared from your PC. You can see from it, share folder. Okay, so the location of your folder, original folder. Okay, and the share name. Share name is also same as that one. That's it is data one. The folder name is, the path is like this. Okay, this is sharing. Now accessing. Guys, I can show you from my physical PC. I can show you how to access from my physical PC also. You can go to your physical PC / your virtual machine's IP address. Virtual machine IP address. Okay. So what is your virtual machine IP address? 127, like this. Okay. But problem with my laptop is, whenever I open any sharing, my explorer.exe is crashing. Okay. So if it is crash, so I'm trying last time again. So if it is crash, I'll show you in a from different PC. Okay. So I open my physical machine and I'm trying to access my virtual machine share folder / 127.190.0.127. That is my virtual machine IP address from my physical machine. So what will happen? Yeah, it is open a file explorer. It is asking username and password. Guys, can you able to see that one? Username and password. It is asking box. Windows security. Okay. Give your username. Means my virtual machine username is student1 and a password is admin@123. Okay. The click OK. Yeah, really, it is open finally. Okay. Yeah, it is a data one. So I can show you next practicals also like this. Okay. So can you see? These are two files. These are two files. Guys, can you able to see this one? So this is how you can able to share it. Guys, understand how to share, how to access. What happened?
Hello.
Yeah, tell me, Naresh.
Yes, sir. I have downloaded the VMware and I can't download it the drives in virtual machine, sir. What is the
Why you
problem?
need a drives in virtual machine?
I mean, if you are appearing the on the desktop blue screen, no, sir. I have not
Yeah.
could not find from my virtual machine, sir.
Are you unable to install this thing?
Yeah,
VMware
sir.
tools you are
Yeah,
asking.
yeah, sir. It was not finding these tools and all of things.
You go to this PC. Go to this PC. There you can find in a D drive. It is mounted to your D drive usually. Just open it and click on a 64.
Okay, okay, sir.
Otherwise, ask me evening. I will show you how to do it.
Sir.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, tell me, Vijay.
Sir, you shared the file from physical PC to virtual machine, no, sir?
No. That is drag and drop from physical to virtual. But I shared a folder in my virtual machine and I accessed it from my physical machine. Okay. This is my virtual machine. You can
Oh,
see the background. This is a virtual machine. Okay.
yes, sir.
And see, this is my physical machine. This is my physical machine. Okay. Access that data one from my physical machine. I said not two machines. I took this one as a physical machine. Physical machine is a client here. So this is virtual machine. Okay. So here I shared. From here I'm accessing. Guys, once again we'll do it. Okay. This time I will put a different name. So we'll see that one. I'm creating another folder. Folder name is data2. Okay. Guys, when you are sharing something, make sure you should put a certain files. Okay. You should put some file and don't use like this kind of text in generally, but better to use this kind of straight text. Or you can use a name, successfully login kind of stuff also, no problem. Okay. Yes, you are unable to access, you are unable to access, like that also you can add some text. So there is a few benefits, like you will get a hobby of using your keyboard. Okay. So this is a data2 I created. Now I want to share it. Guys, before going to share it, again I will tell. So a lot of people are attempting to share like this. So like this, they'll get a options are a share kind of options are there. Give access to something. Give remove access to specific people. These options are there, and also go to properties and sharing tab. They'll go to share button like this. Guys, I'm telling a stable version means if you follow that one, so it is always a direct sharing. Okay, all remaining are having a different type of access, like a specific users wise sharing it is. Okay, share this specific user wise sharing, or I go to properties. This is also light sharing only, not a secure sharing kind of stuff. Like it is sharing, but again you have to add a user, everyone like this, everyone add um, read and write like this. You have to give the share permissions. This is also okay, no problem. Okay, but I'm not doing it. So try to understand for now what I said. What is the actually the main thing what I said in a sharing part, like advanced sharing. Do it. That's is give you correct or accurate result. Okay, easy way. That is very easy compared to all others, because all easy things are difficult. That this is having more little one or two steps extra, but that is actually easy. Okay, so that's it, guys. Anyone will tell us steps. So I want to share my data to with a share name. This time I will change the share name. So first step, how to share this data. Fast, we have a lot of work.
Right click.
Right click,
Properties.
Properties.
properties,
Sharing.
sharing tab,
Advanced sharing.
advanced sharing,
Share this folder.
Share this folder.
share this. Now I'm changing the share name. I'm putting share name is share to, just share to. Instead of share name, same name. So I put a different name. Like I put a data name is data one, and the share name is important data, or maybe CTS data, or a batch 13 data. Like that, I can share it. Okay. Permissions, everyone full access.
Allow.
Yeah, tell me.
Allow. Full control.
Full control, yellow, full control. Very good. Apply.
Okay.
Then catchy thing is different. Okay, so what is this 20? 20 means 20 number of users at a time they can access. 20 number of users, 20 connections at a time they can access, because network access. Apply. Okay. Okay. So this is a sharing link network path. This is a network path. Okay. Next one is better to go to security. Oh, okay. Okay. Click add everyone. Okay. Click add everyone. Type everyone. Just click and add everyone. So everyone means is an anonymous user. So anyone is respect of which user, which system kind of stuff. Everyone check names. Every name. Everyone check names. Click OK. So this is everyone. Select everyone. Yellow. Full control. Apply. Okay. So the secured permissions also are given. Secured permissions also are given. Okay, like this. And sharing. Advanced sharing done. So everything is done. Sharing and security both are given permissions. Close. Now from your side, you are shared, right? So from my virtual machine side, like from this PC, I shared. From my side, my physical machine is accessing that one. Just Click it, share to, automatically it is came. Automatically it came. Otherwise, what to do? Go to run, put a slash slash my virtual machine IP address. Put a slash slash virtual machine IP address. I will open it again. So I'm closing the this already one. So slash slash our IP address. Click OK. See, actually for first time it will ask username and password. Now it is not asking username and password because already it is remember that one. This is the data one which is I shared earlier. Now it is showing it is a data 2, but it is name is share 2. So if you open it, you can see F3, F4 files are there. You can read that file also. And also you can put a data here. If you want to put some data from your PC also you can do it. So what I'm going to do is I put some pictures, 2 pictures. Okay, just copying, pasting into share 2. So what happened? From my physical PC, I put a 2 files, 2 pictures into the share 2. Now verify from your virtual machine, means another machine C1. Check it. You got these pictures or not? Like this. See, you got a pictures. So that is this practical. Okay. So one thing is like a sharing. The first one is I showed one sharing. It is okay. I created a data one and I shared the data one and I told how to access the data one from the other PC. Okay. Next one is I created a data two. I shared a data with a share name is share two. Share name is share two. Any different name also you can share it. Now I access the share two from here. Access the share two from here. Okay. Of course, there is 2 more things I want to tell. Just 1 minute, guys. I will be back. Okay, just try to understand. I will be back in a minute. Okay. Okay, guys. Do you understand how to share and how to access? Why today no one is speaking anything? Guys, don't do practicals parallelly. First thing, don't try to do practically or anything. Just try to understand. Try to understand. If you want, I will show you again. No problem for me. Okay. If you do parallelly, you will miss the step. You missed a step. You want to do parallelly, then I will do very fast. Then definitely you will miss everything. Okay. And if you don't tell anything like you understand doubts or anything, I don't know what to do. Yeah, tell me.
Understand.
Understand?
Understand.
Okay, good. Guys, there is two things I want to tell. Okay, two more things I want to tell. Siri, look at here. Same thing. This is the data one. I'm accessing data one from here. Okay. So here is a data one. I'm accessing this data one from my PC. This is my C1 PC, C2 PC. From C2 PC, I'm accessing data one. So I can put a data or I can take the data. I can put the data, I can take the data. So from my C2 PC, how to access this data one? Data one is already shared. How to access this data one? Anyone tell me, please? From C2 PC, I want to access data one. How to access?
Run C1 IP.
Run //
IP. C1 IP.
So you have to put a your C1 IP address. What are the IP address? You have to put a C1 IP address or a C1 name and username and password. Then we can get a this and we can able to access. Guys, if you see here it is, it's showing a network and IP address. It is already there, no problem. And also like a network. So you can click on this network. You can see the PCs are showing, names are showing like this. If your computer name is showing like this, you can use your username and password also. This is my virtual machine. This is my virtual machine name. So if I open it, so I can use username and password. I can log in also. This is another way also we can open it. So what is it? Open the Explorer, click on the network. Like this PC is there now. This PC, this is network. Click on the network. So wait. So if you wait, you may get your local connected PCs. Okay, like this is my sister PC, I think, and this is my PC. This is my virtual machine. No, it's not my sister. My nephew's PC. My nephew's PC. This is my PC. This is my virtual machine. So open the virtual machine based on the name because it's there is a one service is there. We can communicate with the names also. Username and password. Click OK. You can able to open it. This is also you can able to access it. Why my C drive is full? No. Okay, so whatever it is, look at here. So every day, every time, okay, like everything, whatever, whenever you want it, so whenever you are required, so you have to go to C1 like this, okay, or another way, another way also I showed, right? So like this, anyways, you should connect it to C1 and access the data, right? That is not always good, right? For example, guys, remember we are in a IT field. We are learning how to share, how to access. For us, it may be easy. Think non-technical person is there. Maybe a software engineer is there, but he don't know about a sharing part. We are IT supporter, IT, all kind of stuff people. So we know how to do it. We are technical people. So you literally say like we are technical people. We know how to do work. Okay, how things works because we learn. Some others don't know, even though there are belong to some software related kind of stuff, or maybe they are not IT people. They are working on a computer, but not in a IT field. They are working working in some different kind of stuff, different application set, like maybe tally kind of stuff, or maybe there is a economics related, finance related applications, or maybe it is just browser related, or maybe a recruitment related, Naukri.com kind of stuff. Different people are working. They are working on a computer, but they don't know all the kind of techniques, right? So what I'm doing is, look at here. Look at here. So every time I'm accessing this data by go to run / IP address, or maybe go to Explorer, and click on the network and open the network related one. So that is also always you're doing, that is not a good idea, right? So how to put a data, which is I want to put some data in the folder. The data should be go to this one. Okay, I'm going again. I want to put a data in a folder or a drive. I want to put a data in the drive, data store C here. Okay, and I want to access the data from here, which is data in this drive. Okay, so I want to put a data or access the data from the drive. The actual data is location is here. Okay, so how to do it from your client PC? Yes, it is. Look at here. This is my share to. This is my share to. Right click. Okay. So go to map network drive. Map network drive. Guys, can you able to see?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Map network drive. So click on map network drive. So it is asking few things like, so which is your drive letter? If you see, the drive letters are reverse order. Z, Y, X, W, V, like that. Okay. What is your drive letter? You want a Z letter, or you want a Y letter, you want a X letter, you want a W letter, like that. Okay. I put a Y letter. So okay. Next. You can connect using different credentials. Attempting to connect. Yeah, yeah, done. Connection is done. Okay. Now this is normal, but I'm going to this PC. Okay. This PC. Okay. Yeah. See, this is to Y drive. Share to Y drive. Open the Y drive. See, can you able to see the data in my physical PC? It means in my PC, I'm accessing my C1's data directly. So if I want to send a data, like I want to store a data into my remote location, I can store it. Okay. For example, I am copying some more files, some pictures. Okay. So when I put a data in this Y drive, data went to my data 2. See, it is, the files are showing here. See. Okay. These three only we had copied, right? These three are showing here. So guys, understand? From this PC, in this PC I put a data, but actually data stores here. Okay. If I access the data from here, but actually data is here only. Okay. Like C1, C2. Guys, understand this one or not?
Yes, sir. What data we are saving in VM, we can able to see in physical machine only, right?
Yes. Okay. So instead of that's the correct one. Yes, yes. What we done in a practically, that is. Okay. Simply say two machines are there, two machines are there. So forget about physical machine or virtual machine. Two machines are there. One machine shared folder, another machine mounted drive. Mounted drive. Yeah, Y drive. I put a Y drive mapped. Okay. I put a data into the drive, but actually data stores in this in a main one only. Okay, like this. So think like two machines. Think like two machines. For practically, we are using one virtual machine, one physical machine. We share the data from the virtual machine. We access the data from the physical machine. Okay,
Sir, why
two
it is happening,
machines.
sir, like
Just
that?
in network, two machines are. Yet what it is? Okay. So if you think there is another machine, you think like there is another machine in the network. From that machine, you share the data. You're accessing the data from your machine. Okay, like that. So you have to think, because virtualization meaning is like we don't have more machines here, so no choice. We have to use like that. Okay, so guys, last part in the sharing. Last part in the sharing. I'm going to create another folder, data3. I created a data3. Now I put some data in that data3. Okay. Very important files I put it. I am P1. Okay. Some important pictures. Okay. Okay. Like this. I put a data is like some data is there. Very important means not required to everybody's access. Important means it is not for everybody to access. Just for understanding, guys. Just I'm giving. Okay. This is my folder. I'm going to share. I'm going to share. Okay. Tell me how to share.
Right click properties. Sharing.
First is sharing tab.
Yes, advanced sharing.
I'm changing different name,
Yeah.
but I'm adding a dollar here. In the end of the name, whatever the name it is, but end of the name, I adding a dollar. Okay. I will tell why I'm adding a dollar. So I will show you why I'm adding a dollar also. Okay.
Yeah.
Remaining is same. Permission. Apply. Okay. Apply. Okay. Next one is
Security.
security. Edit.
Edit.
Add.
Everyone.
Everyone. Why I'm giving specifically, guys, sometimes when you're accessing, you're unable to access. Sometimes problem will there. Okay. Apply. So everyone access security permission. Why my mouse is not going down? It is not even going on. So what happened? Is anybody parallel doing anything? Yes, so something is happened. It's my machine something problem. Okay. 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 So sharing is done. And here it is done. Here maybe because of this magnifier. Wait. It's not going to close. Close. Ah, finally I done sharing, but I put a dollar. Okay, I put a dollar. So we'll go to the my Explorer, network related Explorer. So where it is, this is the network related Explorer, like this, or So refresh this one. Where is my share 3? Not there. Close it. Open run. This is my / my remote machine IP address. Click OK. Data 1 is there. Share 2 is there. Where is share 3? Where is share 3? Look at here, guys. / share 3 dollar. Share 3 dollar. Okay. We'll see. Yes. Data is open. Data is open. If I click on this one, see data 1 and share 2 is showing, but it is not showing share 3. If I put a name of the share 3 with a dollar, then only it is showing. Guys, understand why I put a dollar? What happened if you put a dollar here?
Identification.
File
If
is
you
not
know
showing.
name, if you know share name, then only you can able to access. You can't access everything in open. If you know the share name, then only you can able to access. That is called a administrative share. Administrative share. Okay, administrative share. Personally, just for our understanding, we call that one as a hidden share. Hidden share. Hidden share means no others don't know about the folder exist or not. Others don't know folder exists or not. Only people who I told to someone, I told to only Vijay, this is the folder you can able to access, like a Vijay dollar. You can able to access this folder. Vijay knows how to access that particular folder with a name, share name. So he can able to access. Others don't know in publicly. So that is administrative share. Very good. This is about your sharing, guys. So one is very important command is net share to know from the command line in a CMD line. So net share is one of the command. Next one is comp mgmt.msc. There you can go to share. There you can see what are the things are shared from your PC. So that is important. Always, first of all, when you do which machine you want to work on it, so compulsory you must note down the IP address of the machine, remote machine, username and password. Later, do like this. So guys, I'm doing in Win C1 here. What I'm doing, first I took a data1 directory. Okay, I put some data in the data1 directory. Then right click, properties, which tab? Share tab or sharing tab? Sharing or share? Properties, sharing tab, advanced sharing. Okay, then go to advanced sharing. Okay, check. There is a check mark is there. Check this folder, and you want to give a share name, you can give. Then go to permissions. Okay, everyone. Guys, first time we are doing compulsory, give the everyone permission. Otherwise, restricted permissions are difficult. Under yellow, full control. Okay, under full control. Next one, apply OK. Go to security tab. Okay, go to security tab. Add everyone. Check name. Check names. Okay. Okay, you know, okay, cancel kind of stuff. Not always required to tell okay kind of stuff. Okay, and yellow, full control. Okay, for first time you are doing that. So control. Okay, then apply OK. Close finally. Now the thing is accessing shared folders. Okay, so I went to my PC, my personal PC. So my laptop or my laptop or my PC, whatever the name it is. In my laptop, I simply open a run in a run box. Okay, in the run box / my virtual machine IP address 127. Okay, and it is asking username and it is asking password. I given a username and password. Okay, so like a student one is a username and password is admin @123 and it is authenticated luckily, so I got a box, so I can see my data one folder. Okay, this is nothing, guys. Mapped network drive. So map network drive is very simple, guys. So open sharing. Open sharing. Okay, so right click. Okay, right click on the specific right click on a shared folder. Already you are accessing in an accessing mode. Open sharing. Right click on a shared folder. Map network drive option. Okay, so that's it. Finish. Here is the option is change drive letter. Required. Okay, if required, that's it. So click on finish and go to this PC, verify drive mounted or not. Yes, this is also, we call it as a mount network drive. So this is also called as mount network drive. Understand and remember this thing, mounting network drive. Remember this one because in a Linux we are going to discuss few things there. It is very useful. Okay, so this is mount network drive. So another one is in Win C1 I share a data 3. Share name is share 3 with dollar. Okay, I share a data 3 folder. Share name is share data 3 folder with a share name dollar. Now, so I'm accessing so my laptop. What happened? My laptop run //192.168.0.127. Okay, in this one, what happened here? I can't be able to see share 3 dollar. So what I have to do? Go to run //192.168.0.127 /share 3 dollar. It will work. Just for some text purpose, I'm typing you guys, so don't worry. Guys, are you understand the way of you are sharing, way of accessing? Accessing is very important, guys. Accessing is important, and at least you should tell the step by step, how to share, how to access, how to share, how to access. And why you went to net security? Because security also does not allow sometimes the data accessing remotely. So that's why I use a security. Guys, can you able to do it or not?
Yes, we can.
Yes, sir, we can.
How to get a network path? The network path is right click, go to the properties, sharing, like this. This is a network path. This is network path. You can see here is a network path is showing, right? Network path column. This is your network path. Okay. So when you want to share, go to always advanced sharing, because direct options are there. Share this folder is easy. Share name you can able to give it. Permissions you can able to give it like that. Guys, last point is caching. What is this caching while you are sharing? The caching. When you see this caching is like, you know, when you are sharing, like I share from some PC, I'm accessing from other PC, right? So between two PCs, what is required? Anyone will tell? Between two PCs, what is required? I have
Network.
one PC, I have another PC.
Connections.
Networking.
Very
Network
good, very good.
connection.
Network is required. Connection is required. Okay. Physical connection is first is required. Next is IP address. Okay. Connection is required. So connection means network is required. Okay. Connection or a network is required. Either direct connection or through switch connection or router connection or hub connection, whatever it is, there must be a connection. So communication connection must be there. Okay. So then only we can able to do it. Now problem is sometimes this PC is down, the connection is cut, or PC is down. So you can't able to access, right? You can't able to access the data. But it is very urgent, like you know, there is a document. It is in the remote PC. Now you have to access. Okay, you are doing some work on it. Now suddenly connection is cut. You can't able to do it. Problem. So this is the thing is like a cache mode sharing. That is cache mode sharing. Cache mode sharing means sharing will be open in your PC, even though it is disconnected. Okay, sharing will open because this data stores in your PC in a cache mode. In a cache mode, data stores in the destination PC in a cache mode. In this PC, data stores in a cache mode. So you can able to access the data even though remote PC is disconnected, but they won't sync each other. Synchronization won't happen. Synchronization between change of data won't happen. But cache mode data you can able to access. Like you want to require a printout, you have to take a printout, but remote PC is down. So how to take a printout? You can access with a cache mode. Okay, so this is it.